Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Stremio on iPhone. Now step 1 is just go to the Play Store of your mobile phone or the App Store, and once you're into the App Store, just make sure to search for two of the application. The first one is Stremio. Just make sure to download the application Stremio, search it, and you will get the application Stremio Lite. So make sure to download the application Stremio Lite, and once downloaded, the second application that you need in your mobile phone is VLC. Make sure to search VLC and download this one as well. Make sure to download both of the application. Now once downloaded, as you can see, this is the Stremio and this is the VLC player. I have downloaded both the applications. So once done, open the Stremio application and log in with your account. Now once logged in, so you will see an interface like this one, the home section. Make sure to use your Apple account or Gmail to log in, and once logged in, so on the right side you will see the option of settings, most right corner below corner. Just click on the settings, and once you're into the settings, so you will see all these options like this. So make sure to scroll down, and inside this advanced section, as you can see, play in external player, and the second default player is KS player. So like there are two players default, IBC like LIB VLC and KS player. So make sure to not choose this option. The first option is play in external player. Just click on it, and once you click on it, you have installed VLC. So you will see this option called VLC. Just choose the VLC, and once done, you can just simply restart your Stremio application, and after that you will be able to use Stremio inside your iPhone with VLC player. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.